Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are fine, you are safe and you are eating the very healthy food at your home, spending the time with your parents as well as your siblings and learning a lot from the videos. Some animals lay eggs. So this is class 4 children, lesson number 3. Lesson number 3. Yes children? Yes, correct. This is lesson number 3 and we have completed here textual reading. Now we are going to complete this. Some animals lay eggs. Birds. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. Most birds build nests to lay eggs. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm. After some time, their eggs hatch and baby birds come out. So what they are saying children here? So birds are reproducing by laying eggs, but human beings not. Yes children, and most of the birds where they are living in the nests to lay eggs. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm. After some time the eggs hatch and baby birds come out. As you can see here, see children? Yes, they are going to say about the egg also. The eggs of all birds have a similar internal structure. So what they have children, they have internal structure is same. Each egg has a hard protective outer shell. So this one is egg shell which is protective egg shell. Okay, this is the outer shell. Okay, within the shell is the egg white called as albumen. Yes, the egg white is also called as albumen. This is called as albumen. Okay. Next one, within the albumen is round, the yellow yolk is present. Okay, so this yellow yolk is present between the egg white, that is albumen. Okay, the embryo appears as a red spot in the yolk. So this is the embryo also, it is also called as embryo. Okay. Figure 3.4 shows the different stages of the development of a chick. The chick is formed and grows inside the yolk. A growing baby is called as an embryo. So this embryo is from the egg from the yolk. This is the embryo is growing. That development of chick, that is called as embryo. Okay, children. And the chick embryo uses the yolk as its food. The embryo development develops only if the egg is kept warm. The chick comes out after 21 days. So how many times it requires from egg to chick come out? That is 21 days. Let us see. This is the egg. Okay, on the fifth day the embryo becomes clearer. You can see here the embryo is becoming, and this is also diluting, and then it is becoming the eyes. Okay, then on the 10th day large eyes are seen. See, you can see the large eyes can see, and this totally the embryo is developing. On the 15th day you can see the embryo like this. On the 20th day you can see the claws and fins, wings, legs and body is clearly seen. Yes, now in this egg it is clearly seen. And then the chick comes out of the egg on the 21st day. Okay children. So now we are doing this checkpoint. Circle the correct answers. I don't know what has happened to me. Please forgive me children. If I am reading the wrong also, please forgive me. Circle the correct answers. Birds, mammals, reptiles are most developed among all animals. So who are most developed and advanced children? They are mammals. Okay, please tick this children. The egg of birds contain a growing baby called what? That is embryo. Chick is growing, and yolk is that yellow part in the albumen, present in the albumen. You know children that outer shell is protecting everything, the albumen, the yolk, the chick, everything it is protective. Okay. So the egg of birds containing a growing baby called as embryo. Please circle this children, circle it. I have done tick, but you need to do circle. The yellow part in bird's egg is known as yolk, not yolk, yolk. Albumin, shell. Shell is the outer part, albumin is the egg white part, yolk is the internal part. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the other egg laying animals. Not only birds but animals like fish and frogs too lay eggs. They lay their eggs in water. They care for their babies only for a short time. Yes, not only the birds but also the frogs and fishes also laying the eggs in the water itself. But frog is a water animal? No, it is an amphibian. Okay, they lay eggs in water and they care for their babies only for a short time. For the mammals, they are caring for the grandchildren also children. But in the frogs it is not the case. A fish lays thousands of eggs at a time in water. Out of these, only a few hundred grow into baby fish. Many eggs and baby fish are eaten by big fish. See children, thousands of eggs are laid by the fish, single fish. But they are not all of them growing into new babies. Okay, that is the reason it is laying so many eggs, children. And few are eaten by the big fishes. Even the eggs are converted into the fishes also. They are eaten by the big fishes also, right? Most of the eggs are also eaten by the other animals in the water. Okay, many eggs and baby fish are eaten by the big fish. A frog's egg develops into a tadpole. It keeps growing and slowly changes into an adult frog. So this is figure 3.5. See children, this is figure very important. How this is the life cycle of the frog. First egg, then this is tadpole. First stage, tadpole. Second stage, this is tadpole of third stage. This is the young frog and adult frog. Okay, you can see I have written only the stages. Please you can see the diagram also. This is a small tadpole looking like a fish. You know children, tadpole has gills at this time. Here also gills. Here some lungs are forming. Slowly lungs are forming. In the young frog and the adult frog, obviously lungs are present. Okay children. Please draw this children. Try to draw this diagram. Very neat diagram you can draw. Okay. Next. Reptiles like lizards, turtles and snakes lay their eggs in holes in the ground. After laying the eggs, some mothers go away and never come back. Many eggs are eaten by the other animals. Some eggs will get warmth from the heat of the sun and hatch. So in this paragraph, yes, just we will see this. And all insects hatch from eggs. Okay, not only the frog they are laying eggs, not only the fishes laying eggs, but reptiles like lizards, turtles, snakes, they are also laying the eggs. Even though they are laying so many eggs, but not all eggs are growing into an adult. Many eggs are eaten by what? Other animals. Either they are the land animals, either they are water animals. So they are eaten by the other animals, and some gets warmth from the heat of the sun and hatch. So not all are like birds. They hatch and then they keep warm. But in the animals like snakes and reptiles, they get warmth from the sun and then they grow up. Okay, even the insects like cockroaches, lice, bedbugs, they are mosquitoes. They are laying eggs in the water. Yes. They are laying the eggs. Okay children, that we are continuing the tomorrow's class. Okay children, take care children, bye. Tomorrow we will see the life cycle of cockroach, life cycle of butterfly, and then we will finish this chapter. I have already given you the words and try to learn that words. Okay children, take care children, bye.